This state-of-the-art pilot called Varna Harbor Safety can help us as professionals working in the harbor a lot. Augmented reality can give us a magnificent view of the canals and the infrastructure, even in the thick mist, which will give us incredible option to sail and operate in very difficult conditions we often have in this port. Of course, the software and the project can be developed furthermore with a lot of options we give as professionals to the team, to the development team, such as automatic identification system, which give us option to see the vessels surrounding us even in the thick mist. Also, that software can improve our positioning system on board in order to be completely sure that the vessel is exactly in the position where we want to be. During the sophisticated maneuvers, this harbor safety pilot can give us exact position of all the vessels participating in the maneuver from the port view. We have also in our glasses the whole information we need, such as distance to the objects. So I can say that the software and this project can improve a lot the harbor safety.
Hello, my name is Milen Todorov, and I am the leader of the Bulgarian Ports Infrastructure Iliad team. Our company is participating in the Iliad project as a result of our interest towards the research area of the project, because the particular directorate who is taking part in the project is the Vessel Traffic Services Authority Directorate, and the activities we are conducting within the project are connected with our area of interest, connected with the vessel traffic organization, weather prediction, navigational activities in navigationally narrowed areas here in the port of Varna. Here on this monitor you can see the graphical user interface of the software for weather prediction. This is the area of our port where we have divided sub-areas where we have a particular interest for prediction of meteorological events with higher probability and for smaller amounts of time. So we are doing experimental software implementation and some hardware experimental implementation in the area of Port Varna. We are participating in mainly in three main activities like sub-project, which are connected with the safety of navigation in the area of our port. We have provided a database with historical weather data to the team in the Technical University of Varna, also partner in the Iliad project. And together we are developing and experimenting with a software for high-resolution weather prediction for the particular areas in our port and for a shortened time interval. We have also installed several sensors for currents, for water current, in one very specific part in our port. Those sensors were provided from our colleagues, partners from the Tallinn University, and now we are collecting the data from these sensors and are trying to find out if this data on the first hand is correct, how they are participating, and if this data could be useful in the future for creating a model for modeling of the current situation in the particular area, and to maybe to be able to make a prediction of these events. We are also participating in a sub-project of the Technical University of Varna for collecting data provided from civilians outside of the scientific team, so it's called civil science, and it's a tool where everyone who observes a particular event could report some data which then could be processed, and if it's considered useful, it could serve for some particular purpose. So when we are conducting these activities and developing all the subsystems, hardware and software, we are trying to make the results of this project sustainable, and we are planning to continue working with this software and the hardware we have installed even after the end of the project. We are planning to continue developing the software for weather events prediction. So we have installed this software on a server where it will continue working and collecting data, and we will continue adjusting the model. So all the things we are now developing and testing, all hardware and software we have installed, and are experimenting with the results. We are planning to continue using these achievements and to develop them in the future. We will continue collecting the data from the current sensors, for instance, and we will continue adjusting the modeling and the prediction model of the weather prediction software.